Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I filmed this, I mean you've seen it. I was like, yeah, what a cool way to start the video. I'm gonna, reverse, I'm gonna film all this and put it as a cinematic, and then I'm gonna go to the garage, gonna drop my car off, and then I'm gonna start the vlog, but I'm still in my car. Because the garage can't have the car yet, even though it's booked in. Good times. Like I said, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. This is my SR20 DET swapped Datsun 720 King Cab. Now, if you've been following the build, you'll know from my everything wrong with video that part of it is the steering. This is not good, is it? So I thought, right, what I'll do is I'll have it booked in to get that sorted. Now, I do know that there's a few ways I could have fixed it, and I've tried to have a look, looking at the actual steering box itself, but I can't find. There's an adjustment piece, and I can't find it. Normally, it's a bolt and then a screw in the middle. You unbolt it and then you screw it in, and then you bolt it back up. And I can't find that, so I've not been able to do it myself. So I thought, right, what I'll do, I'll just get it done down at a garage, and that's what this video was going to be about, plus some other bits and bobs. Now we're going to backtrack a little bit and do the other bits and bobs first, and then take it down the garage later on when they can actually have the truck. So what we're doing today is actually installing, hopefully, fingers crossed, a brand new steering wheel, which is a classic steering wheel. You're going to love it. A brand new, obviously, a hub Boss, adapter, and then also we're going to be installing stalks as well, because I've got brand new ones of them as well, and a new battery, because you would have seen it started a little bit iffy, and it's sort of better than it was. I mean, it's better than it was, but obviously it's still starting bad, and the battery in it is probably old. It's from Thailand, so I bought a new battery yesterday, so we're going to install that as well, and then hopefully get this steering fixed with a brand new steering wheel. So let's go unbox the steering wheel first, because I've not even unboxed it. It's arrived, and I'm over the moon. I can't wait to show you guys. So let's go and show you the brand new steering wheel first. Right, so here it is. This is the box anyway of the steering wheel, and I wanted to go with something like classic, but something that would fit in with the sort of theme that I'm going with the interior. Because if you know, I'm doing a black and white diamond stitched leather interior. Eventually, that's my project across the winter. I've got the fabric for that already. So I was like, well, what kind of steering wheel will work? And I thought to myself, I've got just the steering wheel. And I don't know if you can see that MoMo heritage line. This is official MoMo. This is legit, and I've never bought a new steering wheel before, and I don't know, I saw this and I just thought, this is it, this is the one. So here we go, this is the official unboxing. Let's move that down there, you don't need to see anything else. Ah, yes, I think you guys are going to love it. I think you guys are going to absolutely love it. Let's, you guys are going to see what I'm going with this car now. With the whole truck. This will piece everything together inside. Oh, I can't wait. You guys are... You're going to have to let me know your thoughts. Guesses to what I'm going with. I mean, it's a heritage line, so you probably know anyway. Right, okay. Oh, it's not... I thought it was a lift up. God damn it. Right, okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh my... Oh, wow. Oh my God. Yes, 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 yes. This is the MoMo Grand Prix heritage line made out of mahogany. Oh, what? I'll just making weird fucking noises. What a good... Oh, it's so nice. And the size. It's just right. This is amazing. I love it. This is what's going to set off the whole interior. And I've got some chrome accents arriving that are going to go inside as well. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Is this a good one or a bad one? Let me know. And obviously, had to get the correct Boss kit for it as well. So that's just what that is. Now, I'm a bit concerned about this one because I think this is going to be a bit too long. But it's the only one that would work. So, I mean, yeah. But we'll install it and we'll see. We'll see how we go with it all. But there you go. Let's start installing this in the truck. Right, so I'm going to have to drill the holes out, which is fine. It's pretty commonplace when you've got an old truck, well, an old car or whatever, because of course they're rounded. It's par for the course, really. And because we're putting a new boss on, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to drill them out and pop it off, and then obviously take it all apart and put the new one on. Huh. Okay. This doesn't do anything. Oh. Alright then, it's just for show. Well, that's easier. Well, apparently this is just for show. What the hell? Please don't do anything. I thought this was going to be harder. What the hell? Right, okay, whatever. That's easy. That's cool though, I'm definitely keeping that. That's badass. Right. So, I mean, there's so much steering play anyway. I need to try and keep this here. I have to take these two off. Right, okay. Anyway, let's do this. Right, well, annoyingly, I've took the plastic cover off, which is actually inside having a coat of primer on it because I'm going to paint it, which I'll show you in a minute. But I thought I'd come back and do this, and like they look about the same. I mean, there's a little bit of a difference. One's more modern than the other, but it's completely different plugs. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, to be honest. Because the problem is they're in different locations, and I don't know if I can. What I might be able to do, I might be able to just unbolt the back of this and plug in, like, put them on here. But they're different pins, so probably not actually. Ah, poo. So this is going back, and then I'm going to order another one. Basically, let's put the steering wheel on, I guess, and then I'll show you the plastics being done in a second. Right, I have found no line that actually explains this, so I'm going to explain it for you if anyone's stumbling across this, also primer, because nowhere explains this. Any video I found, no one explains it at all. It's a pain in the ass. So basically, it comes with your hub kit, right? So this is the boss, and then obviously it's got a wire, and I was like, well, what do I do with this wire? Because anytime it touches that, the horn goes off. So this is how it needs to be set up. Black wire from the hub boss goes into the bottom of this, which is the horn button, right? The MoMo horn button. The wires, which come with the steering wheel, connects to the ring and the bottom of the horn button, which then connects the circuit when you press it, when it's in conjunction with that. Basically. So there you go. Just snapshot again, have a look, done. I'm going to put this together now, put the steering wheel on, and then I guess we're done, and then I'll show you the plastic, which is just drying with the primer now. Right, so there you go, steering wheel installed. Was a bit of a nuisance, bit of a pain, but it's all done now. Let's go and show you the plastic. I love this steering wheel. I think this is amazing. With a black plastic, this is all eventually going to be black. This is going to be black and diamond stitched. We've got new door handles on the way, new window handles. These are going to be painted black. New seats as well, new carpet, everything. This is going to be the centerpiece. It's going to look amazing. But let me know what you think down below. But let's go show you the plastic now. Right, here you go. As you can see, Just doing some primer now. These are quite thick coats, so what I'm probably going to do is let this dry and then I'm going to scuff it down and then start laying some black down. This will probably take a little while. I won't be able to show you the finished product in this video, but what we're going to do now is put the, well, what's left of the car back together, I guess, and then I'll drop it off down at the garage in a couple of hours, and we'll pick back up if they have fixed the steering at all, which hopefully they have, because, spoiler for a future video, the truck is actually going on its first road trip this weekend, so I did want the steering fixed for that, and that's kind of why I fixed the steering wheel as well today. But there you go, this will all be painted black now, but we'll pick back up when I actually get the truck back. Right, so it works. It has actually fixed it. I didn't think he would be able to fix it. It seems to be part of the shaft. There's like a U-joint with a bolt for it, and in there was a lot of play. He's tightened it up, he's replaced the bolt, and it works. Like, it actually works. There's barely any play now. There's still some, which was to be expected because it's a really old truck. You're going to get a little bit because, as well, the geometry is different. The wheels are not supposed to be here. It's lowered. But that's all going to get changed because I am going to get this aligned at a racing garage. But first things first was obviously to sort, any play out, because, you get it aligned, they won't be able to do it. So, fix is good. Like, it actually works. I'm really impressed. But let's go show you the plastics, because I think you guys will be really impressed with that. Didn't look like much when I was doing it, but let's go show you the plastics. Can't put it on yet because it's still curing, but we are going to check the battery in the battery in the back, because obviously we've got a relocation on the battery. Anyway, we'll show you the plastics. Right, so here we go. This is my sort of makeshift paint shop. You can see obviously there was some damage to the underside of the plastic anyway, but it's done all right, to be fair. This is the top side. Not really any noticeable markings here and there. Paint has come up pretty good. It's just curing now. Yeah, it's not bad at all. The thing is, it's old plastic anyway, so you put a new paint on old plastic. This is the underside. There was a little bit of an issue with the primer here. It started to crack for some weird reason, but that's manageable. That's absolutely fine because you're not going to see that anyway. Would I like it to be absolutely perfect? Yeah, of course. But it turns out like this, I mean, it's really old plastic. It's quite hard to deal with. This is the top side. This is the side you're going to see. And it's good. I'm happy with that, to be perfectly honest. Any of the markings that you see are actually in the plastic, like these markings here, and the little nodules, that is actually in the plastic, believe it or not. But I'm really happy with that. That's going to cure. I'm going to move that inside and let it cure for a little bit. But let's now go and change the battery. Also, you'll see this installed like in a coming video, but let's go change the battery. So look, I'm not going to teach you to suck eggs. I'll just chuck this one on. It's quite easy. This is the old one. You can see it's quite old. This is the brand new one. This is the top spec that they had, 3-year warranty. So I'm going to install that now. But thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, do hit subscribe, because the truck is now, there's a lot more happening with the truck now. And the next stuff that we're going to be doing, probably headlights. I'm putting them back to stock, but with a slight upgrade. And actually we're going to start retrimming the door cards. So it's really going to shape up now. But thank you all so much. Like, comment, share. Take care.